Hello dear children, how are you all? I am Savita teacher. Children, today I am going to show you a beautiful picture. All of us love to play with toys, don't we? So come on children, let us start today's activity. Children, this is the picture of a toy room. Now, observe this picture and listen to me carefully. I will explain a fun activity to you. And after that, I will ask some questions related to it. Let us begin. These boys and girls are playing with toys. We can see a toy train, a truck, wooden blocks, a doll, a pyramid, a bucket, a car, a teddy bear, a trumpet, and a ball in this picture. A girl and a boy are playing with a toy train. A boy is playing with the truck. A girl is talking with her doll. A little boy is arranging wooden blocks. He is trying to make a house. A boy with red hair is playing with a car. A girl is holding a teddy bear in her hand. Now children, let us see if you remember what we all saw in this picture. Vihan, what are all these children doing? Unnati, who are playing with the toy train? Prisha, can you see any of the children in the picture fighting with each other? Children, which toy among us the toys shown in the picture do you like the most? Which of these toys do you have at home? And children, Aarti teacher has taught you about red color. So, point out what all is red in this picture. So children, did you see that nobody is pushing each other and nobody is snatching the toys from each other's hand? They all are good children, just like you. Let us clap for them. Now tell me, what do we learn from this picture? We learn that we should share our things with our friends and should not fight with them. We should also maintain discipline and not break the toys. Children, we also have a toy room in our school. We have puzzles, blocks, and a ball pool there. Children, after the school reopens, we will enjoy ourselves in the playroom, and that's a promise. You can also click the pictures while playing with toys and send them to the school's official WhatsApp group. Stay healthy, stay safe, and stay at home. See you children. Bye-bye.